what do you do about pitching your ideas to potential business clients, whether it be for your phone case company or for your photography?
Don't you think this room's quite echoey? I don't have those proper foam things that stop sound, but look what I got. You know what this is? Have you ever seen one of those old mattresses? I literally just found it upstairs. So I might mount this on the wall somewhere. I don't know where, but I think it might help with the echo-ness in here. Like it's really echoey. Anyway, how's it going? My name's Liam, also known as 7th Year on Instagram. Today we're going to be doing a Q&A, but this time I asked you to send me a video of you talking because I feel like there's more of a connection. I've never done this before, so I'm actually interested in seeing how this goes.
What's the funniest camera fail that you've seen or been through? Like drops or falls or breaks or whatever?
This was way before I even started YouTube. This was about 2 years ago when me and Mike went to America. We were traveling around the Columbia River Gorge, I think it is. We were walking to this waterfall and it was starting to get really late at night. As the sun was setting, it was getting darker and darker and we were walking through this track. It was like at that dusk time, so it was quite hard to see what was around you. And I saw this like ledge that you had to walk down. It was like not a cliff, but it was probably like a meter drop. And I pretty much slipped down that and I had my camera and my tripod in my other hand and it just fell in the dirt. So that was probably the biggest fail and I had to clean my camera. Luckily it was my Nikon, so not my Sony, not my baby.
Hey Liam, love your work, man.
Thanks,
Just
bro.
wondering, what do you do about pitching your ideas to potential business clients, whether it be for your phone case company or for your photography, and what tips would you give to someone that is looking to start pitching their ideas
Good question.
that's never done it before? Cheers.
All good. With pitching, me and Mike actually just filmed a video today. I don't know whether it'll be up as of this when I post this video, but go and check out Mike's video. It will explain it really well. But pretty much, when you're pitching your ideas to someone, whether it's a client or whether it's a friend or someone you know, it's good to try and find someone who actually needs your service. So for you, that would be photography. You try and arrange a meeting. It's always good to meet with someone. If you want to seal a deal, always meet with someone. It's way easier than trying to email them because when you're in person, it's just way better. So first things first, just meet up with them. And then just say what you can do and if they need that. Because if you can provide something that they need, then it's business. That's just how it works. Like they will most likely say yes and agree to do business with you.
I was wondering what kind of drones you use and if you even use any drones.
The drone that I use is just a DJI Mavic. It's really small. I'll actually get it. It's right here actually. This is the drone that I use. It's so small. It takes the photo, does the job, shoots in 4K. And they're relatively cheap now. They're cheaper than when they came out. You can probably pick one up for about $800 or $900.
Question for you is, how did you make money, or if you make money from photography, how did you do it? Where did you find it at? Like, is it a website or something? And how did you get started? And also, I don't have an English accent. I have an American accent.
This is good. I like seeing people's faces. It makes it a lot easier to answer the question. The way you make money is just by finding people who need photos. Maybe try start at a friend's party. It doesn't matter where you start because once you start somewhere, you'll meet other people along that way and you'll just slowly build your connection base. It's funny, the second I asked you to do film a video of yourself, I get way less replies. All right, here we go.
Hey man, this
What's
is my
up?
question. What's your favorite type of photography? Like, is it food photography, car photography, landscape, urban?
I've got plenty of different favorite types. I love doing food photography. I was actually just doing some this morning before I filmed this Q&A. Mainly because I love food and I love photography, so those mixed. And I'm WOG, so I love eating. I like street photography, especially I was about to say especially in nature. Street photography in nature, imagine that. No, I like doing that sort of urban and street photography. I love the grunginess, especially like New York style. I pretty much like any photography. As long as I've got my camera and there's something that looks cool, I'll shoot it and I'll be happy with it. What's your favorite type? Let me know down below. What's your favorite type of photography?
Hi, I'm just
Hey, man.
wondering if you'll make any more editing tutorials.
I will be at some point. I don't know when. I don't even know. Let me know down below what editing tutorial you want to see next, and I'll film that.
Yeah, man.
Hey, bro.
I was wondering, what do you do when you can't find a model? Peace out.
I struggle to find models for my videos. I don't know why. Maybe it's me, maybe I'm weird, I don't know. I don't really shoot with models much, not because I don't want to, but when I can't find a model, I'll just usually use one of my mates. It's either Mike, Hayden, or Lamont, or whoever I'm shooting with. I'll just use them as a model. If you want to find a model, a good thing to do is just go on Instagram, search up the area that you're from, and then do hashtag, for me it would be hashtag Melbourne model, and then you can just find one from there.
Hey Liam, you're an
awesome photographer.
Thanks, bro.
My question for you is today, when did you start doing photography? I love your videos. Peace.
Thanks, bro. I started photography when I was about 15, like, as in I picked up a camera for the first time. And then I just sort of started playing around with it, started doing like long exposures. Like I remember I took this photo of a cup. I literally just got a glass from my kitchen and then I got a torch and I did a long exposure of that. And then ever since I did that and figured out that I could do that with my camera, I just sort of got addicted to photography, and I'm 20 now, so I've been doing it for about 5 years. But yeah, that is all for today's video. I actually did have some more questions, but my SD card ran out and I forgot. I didn't realize that my SD card had actually run out and it didn't record the rest. Head over to Instagram and follow me at 7th Year so that in the next video, you can film yourself and ask a question. And if you're thinking about it, but you're too nervous to do it, I just want you to do it. Step outside of your comfort zone and just do it. But yeah, that is all for today's video. If you did like it, remember to leave a like and help me out by hitting subscribe. And as always, stay inspired, keep creating, and I will see you in the next one.